Hello everyone. Today I am going to explain the one more important topic in class 7, that is Europe continent. Dear children, already you know we have 7 continents. Out of 7 continents, Europe also one of the best and developed continent in the world. First industrially or first developed countries are totally in the Europe continent. So these here, you just take one atlas or take that world map. You have to see that from India to how much distance the Europe continent is situated. So Europe continent is completely, it is a cool climate condition, because from the equator to this continent is somewhat far, long distance from the equator, so that in this area cool climate condition in the Europe continent. So European people, they traveled many places. European continent people, European countries people, they migrated different places, because for trade, for business, for industrially developed first Europe continent, so that they migrated different places in the world. And one more important point is that the total Europe continent has the plain area. Europe continent is completely large portion it is in the plain area. Not like India, because in India we are plateaus, many plateaus are there in India. But in the Europe continent is completely in the plain areas. Only few portion, like very small countries, few region only in the plateau region, but most of the area Europe continent is in the peninsula. So in the Europe continent, this Europe continent, one of the main important ocean, that is Atlantic Ocean, Arctic Ocean. Okay, so Arctic Ocean separate Europe continent and North America. One of the big ocean, that is Arctic Ocean, divide the Europe continent and next one North America. So many of the European people, they migrated to North America and they settled there. Why? Because they used waterways. And here this Arctic Ocean is divide the Europe continent and North America. Next, another one big sea that we can call middle of the world. That sea we can call middle of the world. That is Mediterranean Sea. This Mediterranean Sea divide Europe and Africa, northern side of Africa. Europe and Africa divides this Mediterranean Sea. So many seas or mountains, famous mountains are there in the Europe continent. So climate is cool climate condition, because of this Europe continent is very far from the equator. And next, the famous mountains, plains, rivers, peninsulas, islands, bays and gulfs, all these are there in the Europe continent. So in this, I will tell you some of the some important mountains which are there in Europe continent. One is Alps Mountains. Alps Mountains are very famous and important mountain range in the Europe continent, because Alps Mountains are completely covered with snow. Okay, because I told you this continent has a cool climate condition. In the winter season also totally covered with snow, these mountains. And the summer season, snow will melt slightly and it will flow like a river. There are many rivers are there, but all these rivers are like continuously flow. Summer season the snow will melt, so the rivers will flow, and the rainy season due to rains river will flow. So the reason is, in this continent the rivers are flowing on the plain area. You know that in the plain area water will flow very slowly, and they are using these rivers not only for irrigation facilities, the people are using these rivers for navigation, for transfer seaways, for waterways. See, for like we have many transportation, no, roadways, airways and waterways. So the people of Europeans, they are using the sea transport Why? Because of these seas, rivers completely flowing on the plain area, so water will flow very slowly. It is very easily to go on this river. So people are using these rivers like a transport. So many rivers are there. Mountains also I told just now, Alp mountains, and next one Caspi. Another one is Pioneers Mountain. These mountains are very important. Okay, seas also. So Baltic Sea is there. Baltic Sea also may be very important sea in this Europe continent. But here no plateaus in this Europe continent. No plateaus. And one of the biggest river in the Europe continent, that is Volga river. Okay, Volga river is one of the biggest river. It is the longest river in the Europe continent. Maybe the climate of the Europe continent depending on Arctic Ocean. So this whole Arctic Ocean is very near. So that is why from the Arctic Ocean the winds will blow. So that winds we can call like westerlies. The winds which are blowing from the Arctic Ocean to the Europe, so that winds we can call as westerlies. Okay. So Europe continent is completely in the cool zone. Most of the area, plain areas, and in the plain areas, very famous like important some countries I will tell you: Poland, Ukraine, and Bulgaria. Okay. So for few important France, Germany, these countries are in the only on the plateau region. Because I told a small portion is in the plateau, but large portion completely on the plain area. In the plateau region, France, Germany, and Spain. So these are the some of the important countries in that in the plain area. Okay. Yes. So the distance from the equator is this Europe continent is very far. Okay. So you just see the atlas and world map. Where is the equator and where is Europe continent? So you will get one idea about Europe continent. So Europe continent is now well developed continent in the world.